Hey guys, Prepper in the Woods here. Thanks for stopping by. This is a little quick vlog on what I've been up to lately, and I've done this. If the lighting's too bad, I'll just show a quick picture of it. But I've been working on knife handles, and this is one for anybody who's interested on seeing my Facebook pictures and stuff. I practiced with this one. I still have to do a little bit of the edging here, but I used that one for practicing because I have a new machine here, a belt sander, that I never used before either. So I didn't want to get too many things that I never used before and then mess up on everything. So I practiced a little bit on each. With this one here, I got off Bushcraft subscription box about 2 months ago. I've only had time to work on it now, and I've been working on it for about a week. Really good knife, nice handle, nice for practicing. I'll throw a link up to where you can get it from. And yeah, so it was a little project for myself. I watched some videos about how to do this, and the guy that's showing the video, basically he was, professional, and what he did was he traced the blank onto the wood, drilled the holes, put the two pieces of wood onto it, glued it, and then he shapened the wood from the block into the knife. And to me that seemed a bit like more work. So what I did was I traced the blank onto the knife block, the wood handle, and then I trimmed away as much as I could with a table saw, so it saves some life on my sanding. So once that's all done, then I put it on, then I put the the brass pins in, and then I sanded it. The mistakes I made was I put short pins in there because I actually didn't want the pins to show at all, but I drilled the wood all the way through. So that was my fault. What I do is next time is just drill a hole a little bit in, but not all the way through, so that the pin will still not show. But even showing, it doesn't look too bad actually. The other bit was when I had the pins in there and I was trimming off all the wood, my wood saw blade was hitting the metal pins, which I forgot about. So I had to sort that out. I had to sand it by hand, a lot of it. But it's a good little project. The handle idea for the shape of it came from this knife here, which I haven't actually reviewed yet. It's a nice, really nice budget knife. I'm going to do a review on it. I haven't showed it off because I haven't been able to get any footage about it because it's been dark every time I get home and I can't film in the dark. So I don't want to do a review on it until I got some footage of me using it. I don't want to be a desktop and that's it. But the handle on this is awesome. That's what I liked about it so much so far. My hand fits in it. So what I did was I copied the measurements on this knife here. So it's thin here, gets a little bit wider, a little bit of a palm swell there, and then it thins out. So I had help from my daughter take that and then copy the measurements from that to the wood here, and then I tried and trimmed it. I'll throw up some pictures of the stages I was doing this. The palm swell is not as much as I like it would be, but again, this is really comfortable in my hand. Like I said, I got large size, borderline extra large size hands, and that fits really well. Again, no hot spots, fingers fitting this little bit here nice, and just happy. I got tape on it because I haven't sharpened it yet. I'm going to throw in a Lansky in a minute, but I taped it up while I was working on it so I didn't cut myself. But nice little item. Again, that's from Bushcraft. If you want to get there quick to subscribe to his boxes, because he's only doing it for a short period of time, and then once that's it, it's gone. I'll throw a link for that also. Yeah, so that's it. Just a quick little video about what I've been up to. So I've just been working on knife handles at the moment. I got loads of reviews coming up. Check my Facebook group, Prepper in the Woods. A lot of stuff going on there. I got a lot of great new members on there also. A lot of people putting their input in, which I'm happy about. So thanks everybody for doing that. I'm going to do an urban bushcraft bag. Urban bushcraft, that makes no sense. An urban bug out bag. That's going to come up soon. I'm working on that. I'm doing a lot of research and getting ideas for my Facebook groups and stuff. So if you want to put any input on that, go to Facebook. There's a post on there about urban tools. and I'm taking a list of everybody's ideas, and then I'm gonna try to make a bag out of that, out of all the kit I have here. So again, it's another little project that might be handy for someone else to look at. Other than that, reviews. Hopefully we get into the woods soon. The weather is horrible at the moment. It's just cold, damp, and raining. So it's not really much motivation for me to go all the way to the woods to do a video. And I also want to go to the woods to actually enjoy it once in a while, and not have to worry about bringing a whole film kit with me and get a review and stuff, because it just kind of takes the fun out of it. If you make YouTube videos, you understand what I'm saying. But other than that, just quick update, guys. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for all my subscribers. You know who you are. You guys keep commenting all the time for me, and I appreciate it. And that's about it, really. Again, RJ Bushcraft. Check them out. I'll put a link up. Thanks, guys, for watching. Catch you next one. Bye.